Welcome to Costa Rica, everybody. Today we are in Guanacaste province. We're going to be checking out Playa El Jobo with a J. This isn't a Spanish channel. This is a travel channel, but it's Playa Jobo. Okay. This is Dreams Las Mareas resort. We're going to be going over there. The beach is just on yonder. It's like behind this tree line. There's this really cool like mangrove kind of thing here. Walking path. Check it out. It's a mirador. This is called the mirador, a lookout. As you can see here, spend a couple seconds up here looking around. There's a little bridge there. You can see people going across bravely. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Guys, if this is your first time joining, as always, leave a comment, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, and check this out. Let me know any places you want to see. That's cool. It's like a little bridge. I'm going to go down there. We'll check it out. Look at everybody. Everybody's afraid of it. I don't know if there's crocos in this water, man. That's the problem. But look, you can see down here. Look at this. This is pretty cool. It's just mangrove, so it's just trees kind of growing in this like really shallow lake, I guess, is the way you'd call it. Look at the stairs. So these stairs are like steep. They're steep. Yeah, cool. I like it, man. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well built, you know. Gotta slap that wood. Look at this one right here. Look at this. Let's go. Yeah, it's solid. She's solid, boys. She's solid. That's cool. So I've been to Playa El Jobo a couple times, and I never came over here. So it's interesting. Look at the water, man. Imagine taking a dip in there. Ooh, ooh, baby. I was looking on the way up here if there's any crocodrios, and I didn't see any. I've seen a couple cool birds going around. Stuff like that. So why is this bridge so scary? Let's see. Oh. Yeah, okay. That's cool. So guys, you can go down the mangrove path here, apparently. I'm not going to go walk all the way down there because I'm sure everybody wants to see the cool beach. Maybe I'll walk a little bit further. It's nice though. What a nice, cool path they've done. It's like this elevated thing. I like it. And I'm just looking down here if there's like any wildlife or anything. Doesn't look like it. Wouldn't mind seeing a croc. Is there crocs? You guys know if there's crocs in this water? Wonder how deep it is here too. Look, can't even see. Probably not. I don't know. Like, I don't know how this works, man. I'm not like a nature guy or whatever. So here's that. Here's the lookout. Oh, actually, we'll check it out from the other angle. So we're not looking at the sun. I've seen a couple of those bluebirds flying around. What are those things called? Yeah, white-throated magpie jay is what they're called. So there's the lookout, the mirador. That's cool. I dig it. So yeah, if you're coming to Dreams Las Mareas, it's like an all-inclusive resort here in Guanacaste. And I see a lot of people asking about all-inclusives in Costa Rica. Questions and stuff like that. And, you know, people say, oh, don't go to all-inclusives. Go out and hang out with the locals, they say. I don't know. Locals work at all-inclusives too, you know. And I don't mind. I've spent a couple days at all-inclusives here, like just a night. I don't mind it. I don't do it. I don't seek it out. But like when people are going or whatever, because I don't mind, you know, eating all the meat I can and eat all the pineapple. Don't mind it at all. But if that's how you travel, there's nothing wrong with the all-inclusives here in Costa Rica. I think they're pretty cool. If that's how you want to travel. You just want to chillax. Uh-oh, I hear a bird. You guys hear it? Where is it? I'm walking backwards here. Where is it? I can't see it. Where are you? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's a white-throated magpie jay right there. Where is it? Oh man. Okay, there's that one. Okay, and then it is right there. Oh, there he is. Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So those birds are super smart. They actually come up to your window and like they'll knock on your window for food. Like I've sat out on a balcony before, like many times, just having a cigar and watching those guys, and they're super smart. Like they're way too smart. If they had opposable thumbs, we'd be in trouble for sure. Guys, so how do you get here? If you're coming here, you're probably going to land in Liberia at the international airport there,
which is in the North Pacific right here. There's the airport. So you'll head over towards Liberia and then north on Highway 1. This is a pretty well paved highway, single lane, so there can be some traffic and stuff like that. You're going to get up to a town called Cruz right there. And then you're going to turn west along this road. Now, this road you're seeing here in the middle is pretty bad condition. There's a lot of potholes. It's pretty slow going. So just watch your tires and suspension along there. And you make a quick turn, a short drive, and you're at Playa El Jobo right there.
So we're about, I want to say like an hour from the Nicaragua border here. The town there, La Cruz, is kind of on the way. It's on the way to the Nicaragua border. There's some horsies down here. Let's go check out the horsies. On the way in here, guys, I saw a lot of like boutique hotels, horseback riding, ATV stuff, all kinds of stuff like that. And it's pretty cool. It's like really green here, and there's actually a lot of like scenic views. There's a horse. A lot of scenic views coming in because there's like mountains. There's a lot of terrain variability when you're coming down the hill. Excellent, excellent. We're gonna go get in the water here in a minute. I'm gonna go do a live water test with you guys. See how the water looks. Now this right here, is this part of Dreams Las Mareas? I don't know. I'm not quite certain. I presume so. Looks like a beach club or something. Like a quiet club, I don't know. Across the, like the street coming in here, there was some signs for a new development. Looked like a boutique kind of development, like a high-end development called Costa Rica, I think. I don't know. I'm just trying to remember everything I can. Oh, look at this. This is so nice. I'm not allowed in there, though. So, you've got, like, chairs, pool, bar. Cool, man. Oh, a little sitting area over here. Yeah, okay. I dig it, man. I don't know what that is. You guys know what that is? Let me know. I'm assuming it's associated with the resort. What's going on down here? We got people camping. We got camping tents set up. Yeah, I like it. These things are comfy. Look at this one. That looks super comfy, but I'm not here to be comfy, guys. I'm here to get a video in. I'm gonna go get my weights and do a workout. That's usually how I roll. That's kind of the only reason I'm up here. I just like working out in different places. So we're gonna do a live water test here, guys. And I will report to you exactly how the water is. But here's the beach. Super chill. Hello, man. So it's kind of like, this is really sheltered, right? The water is really calm, right? It's a long beach too. You could check it out. Wow. It's nice. Look at that place up there. Wow. Right on the hill. I wonder what that is. It's like a house or a hotel maybe. I don't know. I'm going to try to not face the sun. Oh, water's cold, man. Water just hit my foot. So guys, I'm wearing these water shoes. Okay. Here, I'm going to try to do some yoga. Look at these, man. These are so clutch. They're like mesh, but on the bottom they have vent holes, so all the sand and stuff just drains right out of them. You can like use them as shoes. So I'm gonna put the link down in the description. These are my favorite water shoes. I've gone through a lot. I've gone through a lot of water shoes, and these are the best. I'm kind of a geared out. I'm kind of a gear hound. I've probably spent way too much money on stuff. So now I'll just share that experience with you guys. What's going on out there? There's like a boat out there. It looks like you can walk all the way around there. Guys, I've been here a few times, and like I remember kind of exploring. I think the last time I was here was like a couple years ago. or a year ago or something like that. So these guys are bodyboarding right here. I guess with the right conditions, it would be kind of cool. And the water is cold here. It's very, very cold, very refreshing. So look at that. Look at down there. Man, it's too bad the sun, but you know, there's just like alcove. A lot of cool, cool little beaches up there. It's excellent. Let's go back up and see what's going on. Dreams. Up at the resort here. So no, actually, okay, guys, what I'll show you, if you're coming here not to go to the resort, this is where these two are walking out here. That's the public access parking. If you drive past the resort, you'll come to the end and there's public parking there, and then it comes down this path right here. And this is where you'll end up on the beach. I'll show you the path. That's where I just parked. So this path right here. So that's the path right there. That goes to the public access parking. And you'll see it's right beside this restaurant. I think this restaurant is a private restaurant. I don't think it's associated with the club or the resort. As always, guys, leave me a comment. I mean, let me know stuff. If you tell me stuff, then I'll know it. Super cool. Now, this is the resort. We visited people staying here at this resort. And the resort's pretty cool. It's like pretty nice. Nice inside. See the suites here. And this beach, I mean, I'm going to try to find some monkeys. There was monkeys running around in the resort. I think it was it was the white-faced ones, those little mischievous creatures. The howler monkeys here in Costa Rica, I find, are just more like standoff. Something going on here with the lights. Cool, man. I dig it. Okay, so here's the resort with the pool. Let's go walk over there and check it out. Man, maybe we can, maybe we can't. There's the pool. Oh, you got some stuff like that. Some souvenirs down here on the beach. Oh, and a massage table. So there is the pool. That's one of the pools. There's like pools all the way back through there. But I'll do that resort on another day when I am staying on the resort. Some volleyball down on the beach. Cool. Oh, there's more sitting stuff down here. Let's go check down here. I actually want to go out on the tide pod, on the tide pool. Tide pod. Yeah, I'm gonna eat the tide pools. I don't know why that was on my mind. Just so bad. Been watching too many TikTok videos. Eating too many Tide Pods. So here's some more stuff. Yeah, cool. So there's a big big pool area. There you go. So look at it. It's just sprawling big area. Lots of pools to swim in. I don't remember how the gym was though. I don't think I ever went to it. That's what I'm most interested in. I should just do gym tourism for my own purposes. I'll keep doing the traveling videos, but I just want to know where the gym's at. Here's some sitting, right? Some sitting areas. I don't really sit. Like, I can't sit still. It's been a common theme in my life since I was a child. I'm just always, bro, I move too much, man. What's next? What's next? I'm like a squirrel, you know, trying to catch a nut. What's down here? I was hoping to see some spotted eagle rays. I saw some signs for spotted eagle rays coming in. Maybe there's like a restaurant called Eagle Ray or something like that. They're the coolest things, man. They're like rays that swim across the shore, right across where the waves break here. And they're just super cool and smart. I can see people out on that boat over there on the shore. Where's the monkeys at though? Where's the monkeys? So there's the beach, guys. Let's go get a cool shot of the beach. Nice, nice. And guys, look at this. This is why I love these shoes. Look at this. They just drain right out. They just drain. All the sand and water just drains right out. And I'll keep wearing them. Then they'll just dry and I'll wear them and walking around and stuff in towns and stuff. Dig them. Cool views here. Yeah, there's like, man, those people, I wonder how they got there. Maybe the boat. There's like people on they're chilling. Maybe they walked over there. That's cool. That's very cool. Okay, guys, cool. So I hope you enjoyed that walk and talk here at Playa El Jobo at the resort Dreams Las Mareas in northern Guanacaste, 2 hours from the Liberia International Airport. As always, hit like for me, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with anything you think about this video or places you want me to visit before your vacation here in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.